Have you ever wondered how engineers ensure the strength and integrity of welded structures like bridges, pipelines, and skyscrapers?
Not really, but I'm curious to learn more about it.
Well, the answer lies in a crucial process called destructive testing of welded joints. It's an essential step that can save lives and prevent catastrophic failures.
Destructive testing? That sounds intense. What does it involve?
It's a method where welded samples are subjected to extreme conditions, like high temperatures, pressures, or mechanical forces, until they fail or break.
But doesn't that defeat the purpose of welding them in the first place?
Not at all. By intentionally breaking these samples, we can analyze the failure modes and identify any weaknesses or defect in the welding process.
I see. So, it's like a stress test for welded joints?
Precisely. Some common destructive tests include tensile testing, bend testing, and impact testing. They help us evaluate the weld's strength, ductility, and resistance to cracking or fracturing.
That makes sense. But how do you ensure the test results are reliable and consistent?
Excellent question. We follow strict standards and protocols set by organizations like the American Welding Society, AWS, and the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, ASME.
So, it's a well-regulated process?
Absolutely. The testing procedures, sample preparation, and acceptance criteria are all standardized to maintain quality and safety across different industries.